Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to check your Walmart gift card balance online using your laptop in 2025. And the first step you need to take is to locate your gift card information, that is the gift card number and the PIN. Now you can find your gift card number, which is the 16-digit gift card number, and then you need a 4-digit PIN. So for physical cards, the PIN is located on the back beneath the silver scratch-off area. For e-gift cards, the PIN is included in the confirmation email. So once you locate this information, next is to visit the Walmart gift card balance page. Now open your web browser and go to the Walmart gift card balance page. There is walmart.com/account/gift cards. Now once you're there, you have to input your 16-digit card number and 4-digit PIN in the provided fields, and then you click the check balance button. Your current balance and recent transaction details will be displayed. It's as simple as that. Please note that if your gift card does not have a PIN, you can use it in store but not for online purchases. To obtain a PIN, you must visit a Walmart store to exchange your card for one with a PIN. Beware of phishing. Only use official Walmart channels to check your balance. Avoid third-party websites that may attempt to steal your gift card information. By following these steps, you can easily monitor your Walmart gift card balance online.